The girlfriend and I have gotten a lot of cool things as of late, but one of them that I've been super excited for is this Insta360. It's the new X5, the 8K version. Almost dropped that, could have been really bad. Here we have the actual Insta360. It comes with an extra battery in the combo we got. We have an Insta360 256GB SD card so we can easily get started. Super long invisible selfie stick. And lastly, a lens cap just to protect the camera. So this is all the loot that we have, and we got it so we can make some pretty cool videos with the cars.